Welcome back here in AI SEO Fusion with Ukasha, and I hope all of you are doing great and also facing SEO challenges. If you are facing SEO challenges, don't worry about that because I'm going to cover it in this course and playlist where you don't need to worry for anything. You can leave comments here in the comment section, and whatever the challenge are you facing, what is the problem, and we can share and fix that problem in our question answer session in my community. And if you never join my community, definitely I will leave my community link in the description, and you can join it right now. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that I took a 30-day SEO challenge to test every major type of SEO, like on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, and local SEO, and the results were crazy. It was in 2023 when I took this challenge, but in 2024 I also did the same with another website of my client from UK. And if you ever confused about where to start, what actually works, and how to get traffic, this was the quite challenging work for me too, like you, and that I came across a website, a niche that I never found, that I never searched for. So, if you are a beginner and first of all and didn't watch my last video, what SEO means and how it works, definitely you can go there in, and the link is here in I button. It's my full what is SEO for beginners guide. So, how I proceeded there. I created a brand new project and applied each type of SEO one by one for 30 days. And here is what I did, what worked and what didn't. There is no fluff, definitely. And stick till the end. I'll share with you which type of SEO bring the most of the traffic, and how can you use the same strategy to definitely break it down, the strategy, the all the types of SEOs, where to start and what to end. Right. First of all, where I started, definitely it was the keyword research game. And after keyword research, the main part was on page SEO, optimizing titles, headings, internal links, and content. And one more thing, we are going to discuss all this in detail in our coming playlist. So here I'm just mentioning the types and how I overcome that project challenges by fixing the issues, and where I started and where I ended. Because most of the time I receive queries from different students and fellows that I'm going to start a project. What I have to do? What is the SEO strategy? Please share with me SEO checklist from where to start and where to end. What is the very first step to take? What keyword I have to start to search with. So here I'm just going to tell you the strategy step by step, how you have to proceed like I proceeded. Okay, so first of all, we will move after keyword research to on page SEO and optimizing titles, headings, internal links, and content writing. Content is a very important part. Okay, and what I did, I targeted 5 keywords using semantic SEO and optimized my blog content. Like if you are going to target at like 100 of keywords at the very start, no one keyword will work for you. So start with minimum keywords. Like if you are going to target a website having 10 pages, choose 2 to 3 pages just, including home page, to start your work. And after that, step by step, choose other P1 pages, priority one. You have to definitely categorize the pages according to your priorities: priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. Okay, and in this way, after choosing just 5 keywords or 10 keywords, your impressions will be increased in Google Search Console, and your blogs will start ranking. And then you can do internal linking, and the rest of the details we will discuss in the playlist. Second thing, what you have to do, technical SEO, as I did. What is it? It is site speed, mobile friendliness, scrollability. So you have to work on site speed, its scrollability, and make the website mobile optimized, because most of the websites are used by users at mobile. And when the website will not be viewable, and that is not optimized according to mobile version, definitely it will not work. So what I did, I fixed core web vitals using different tools like page speed insights, etc. Fixed broken links, and did competitor analysis to see where their broken links are existing, and I can get a chance to get a link from their broken link. So that was one strategy that I have used, and it definitely dropped the bounce rate, and it helped in crawling and indexing. Okay, and the third type of SEO, that is off-page SEO. It is very important, and as it is considered the backbone of a website. Like we can rank the website pages, but after ranking, when the pages are at second page, third page, or fourth page, what we have to do, we have to push those pages to the very first page. How we can do it? We can do it with competitor analysis, and after competitor analysis we will get the idea how many backlinks they will have, how what type of content they are sharing, they are publishing, and where are the loopholes. How can we beat them? And most of the time backlinks help us a lot to beat these competitor sites. So backlinks, social sharing, mentions, etc. What I did, I reached out 10, 12 guest posts and created shareable infographics, profile backlinks that helped my homepage boost it. Okay, and for guest posts I didn't go with the paid guest posts, I just worked on free guest posts. Like it was the work on contextual text, contextual backlinks, that worked a lot. And infographics also work when we work a detailed infographic, because Google like image SEO. Okay, and it helped in increasing the DA 3 to 4 points a month. And and many backlinks were also got picked by Sam-2. Okay, and then moving forward, moving to local SEO, as the business was also located physically in UK. So what is it? Local SEO, like when we search different, we keep searches near me keywords. Okay, that help GMB profile optimization, that help us to appear in the Google listing. And when we definitely search restaurants near me, or beauty parlors near me, it helped a lot when our local audience, our locality based people are searching us. What I did, I created the GMB profile and updated all the posted all the updates, and got reviews, because reviews matter a lot when you are working at GMB sites, Google My Business profiles. So I did that and requested the client that he can approach all the previous clients that loved his business, that they can review, they can add a feedback at Google My Business profile, and it will definitely improve their rankings and star ratings. So it ranked for 2 locations, and it took time, I guess, 3 weeks to rank in two locations, because the keyword was not very competitive. So after collectively after 30 days, it started getting clicks, and I guess it started getting clicks from 200 to 300, and the blogs were ranking. And blogs were, why the blogs were ranking? Here was a mystery, here was a secret, that I used Reddit. I used Reddit to do keyword research. How you can do keyword research by using Reddit. I'm going to record my next tutorial at that, and if you are interested how to find low KDT keywords that nobody is working on, and a platform that no one is talking about, definitely my next video is for you. And if you missed my content writing masterclass, where I teach how to write SEO optimized content that ranks, go and check it out there in I button and also in the description section. So this was my strategy, how I boost the website within 1 month by using different strategies. And if you are just starting, just begin with on-page SEO, as it is the foundation. But never ignore technical and local SEO, because if the business is localized based physical business, then local SEO will work so wonderfully. Focus on that, because it doesn't take much time, but it's also a secret tool to rank any website and bring traffic from your GMB profile too, and make a real impact fast. Okay, so subscribe if you want more SEO experiments, live audits, and we are going to record many more tutorials and work up. And if you want to have a full SEO checklist about strategically how we have to start and at what we have to end, you can DM me, you can comment here SEO checklist, and I will drop SEO checklist for you. Follow me for more and see you in my next video. Don't ignore that low KD finding keywords with Reddit. See you soon. Bye.